This is a warning from the National Security Agency. The Trollge, an anomaly that has completely committed mass genocide across Kansas and Missouri, has been spotted multiplying into multiple clones to take down multiple targets. Its next targets are believed to be the major cities of Denver, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Austin, Dallas, San Antonio, Abilene, Albuquerque, San Augustine, Phoenix, Tucson, Las Vegas, Carson City, Sparks, Los Angeles, San Diego, Fresno, Sacramento, Portland, Seattle, Raleigh, and New York City. If you are in these areas, make sure to have 14 days worth of supplies including food and water, weaponry, and a battery-powered radio. Call 911 if you feel unsafe. Shelters have been set up across the states associated with said cities, if you do not feel your home will provide enough safety. Military personnel will deliver care packages with extra supplies. Please stay in your shelter and do not leave. This is a warning from the United States government. At 7:03 Mountain Standard Time, all known Trollges started destroying all mentioned states, as well as some others. Unaffected states include Montana, Idaho, North Dakota, South Dakota, Michigan, Wisconsin, Alabama, Mississippi, Virginia, West Virginia, and Kentucky. If you are in one of these unaffected states, please evacuate to the nearest military base. If you are in an affected state, brace for the end. All possible means of destruction of the Trollges will not be completed until the states that were not mentioned earlier are already destroyed. It is impossible to kill them using conventional weaponry. You may attempt to evacuate. Although most states are destroyed, airports will still operate. You may attempt to use airports to fly to an unaffected state, however your chance of getting to an airport without being instantly and mercilessly killed are quite low. After some testing with a duplicate we managed to capture, we have determined that your death will not be quick and painful. This is a warning from the United States government.
Cualquier información, favor de comunicarse a los teléfonos de